Hey guys, welcome to my channel. What's good? Today I went ahead and did my face off camera so we could just jump right into the eyeshadow. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so with this big huge brush here, I dipped into some yellow and I'm just gonna pop this into my crease. I'm going for a very yellowy, golden, honey, sunshine, sunflowers, you know, all that vibe today. So usually I like to start off with my eyes because it's easier to clean up all the fallout, and that way you could just be a little bit messier and whatnot and not really have to worry about, you know, getting fallout under your eyes, and then how are you gonna clean it up, because then it's gonna smear and you're gonna have a weird color under your eye type stuff. But since we are working with yellows today's yellows, oranges and whatnot, I figured I would risk it. That way I feel like my videos are already getting too repetitive because I always jump on here and I always like do my eyeshadow and then I do my face, and obviously I always do my face the exact same way, more or less. So I just wanted to try, you know, something a little bit different. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys think I should just do what I normally do and do my eyeshadow first and then play some music as I speed through my base. If you guys just don't want me to do my base, period. Ooh, I don't know if this is showing up on camera as good as it's showing up in person, but nonetheless, I'm already getting those sunshine vibes for sure. Okay guys, so now I'm taking a significantly smaller brush. Look at that. I'm just gonna dip into some orange and place this mainly on the outer corner of my eyes, but blending it softly into the crease to add some depth in there too. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna dip back into that yellow and make sure it doesn't get lost and just kind of wash it back in there. Okay guys, so we've been pretty good at not getting any fallout underneath our eyes, but since I'm about to work with some shimmer shades, I just don't even want to risk it. So I'm gonna go ahead and bake my face, that way we could just wipe it off. That way we could just wipe off any potential fallout. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this yellowy shimmer shade there. Very golden, honey, I don't know. And I'm placing this into the inner corner of my eyes.
Emotion got me all faded, my heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away, yeah. I'm a fool, yeah, I gone love blind, and ooh yeah, got my heart out, and it's covered in gold, like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, cause you know it's good, oh baby.
Okay guys, so to finish off my eyes, I'm just gonna take that yellow shadow and place it on my waterline as eyeliner. And for lips, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick and the color in the shade 75 Fighter. And now I'm going in with this one. Super matte liquid lip color in the shade 700 Be My Baby. Okay guys, so that goes ahead and completes this look. I'm really feeling this lip combo. I feel like it works perfect, and this video was supposed to be a sit down, get ready with me kind of chit chat video, but those birds keep going crazy and I'm not about to put y'all through it. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys next time.
Sipping this lean, I'm living carefree, da da da. LSD for me and you, keep up please. You can't judge nobody, so don't judge me. I just like smoking that weed, I just like smoking.